Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing beginning to our holiday season. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've been invited to be on a Dollar Tree train collab. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thank you, Miss Jackie Russell, for the invite. Guys, I have never done a DT train collab, so I'm super excited. Now, there are 14 of us on this train. Choo-choo. So make sure you look at everybody's video. I will make sure to tag everyone down below. Everyone is doing a giveaway. Who doesn't love a giveaway? Come on, it's the season. Get in those givvies. We're going to keep our videos between 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to make this as quick as I can so you can go watch everybody else's videos. Please make sure you like the videos, subscribe to all the channels. I love to see new channels. Well, not really new, but just channels I didn't know about. So there was a couple girls in this collab that I wasn't subscribed to. And so I really have enjoyed watching their channels since I've been invited to this collab. So they called it a glitzy DT collab. So I wore my glitz and my glamour. I mean, why wouldn't I, right? So yeah, I got this little bracelet on and this and and you guys like this wig that I'm wearing. Last time I wore it, you were like, somebody even said it made me look 20 years younger. And I'm like, wait, what? I'm gonna wear that all the time. So what I did also one thing I want you guys to do, okay? So I picked these items. I want you to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate how you feel I did on picking the items, because I'll tell you what I did. I don't know if I was supposed to do this, but this is what I did. I wanted to buy things that I could give you guys a few gift ideas of things you could buy at Dollar Tree to gift to like teachers or co-workers or your friends or your kids' friends' parents or your sister, your mother-in-law, whoever. So I wanted just to get a couple of kind of Christmassy or items you could put together to make Christmas gifts. So that's what I tried to kind of do, because I wanted it to be something, not just me hauling, but something maybe that you guys could use. So I am also doing a giveaway. So please, 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 I'm doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. And I'll tell you how to enter that when we get towards the end of the video, but let's get into the haul. So I have a couple of ideas. This is my first idea for a gift, and you can do this so many different ways, you guys, so many different ways. So you know you can always get the Dollar Tree little, what do I want to call these? Oven mitts. Oh my gosh, Jen, get with it. These oven mitts are so cute. They always come out with the cutest holiday oven mitts. So I got this oven mitt, and I believe these were still $1.25, I think. I didn't get anything like in the 3 to 5 aisle, so this was all in the $1.25, $1.50 area. And you know they always bring out these cookie mixes. So I got the little gingerbread one. I got a little gingerbread mix. I'm going to stick my little gingerbread mix down in here. Now you can take this tag off, of course, and then I would, or if you don't want to, put a bow here, like a little Christmas bow of some sort. And then to add to this, I grabbed one of these, which is a little set of tongs, and look how cute it is. It's got a gingy on the front of it. Like, how adorable is that? Now, they had different ones. I think they had Christmas trees or whatever. And I know it's like, well, cookies and tongs, what the heck? But it matched so cute. Like, I was like, yeah, this is just adorable. So, there you go. Like, one little gift, like around, you know, $3.75 for this. I thought it was stinking cute. Like, look how adorable it is. You can use any mitt, any kind of cookie mix, maybe a spatula or a spoon or anything really. So I just thought that was so cute. So that was one of my ideas. The other idea that I had along the same lines, and this was just another, I just love their oven mitts. They are so adorable. So you can use any oven mitt. And then I found these, and these are so stinking cute, you guys. They're like ice molds or candy molds. They're calling them ice cube trays, but I think you could use these for anything. Like maybe candies, like if you put chocolate in them or something. So they had this one, which is like some holly, and there's like some bells on here. Super cute. Super cute. And then they had this one, which is some snowmen. So they have a couple of, actually they look kind of like penguins. Are they penguins? You guys, are these penguins? I don't know. You tell me. But how cute are these? And then they had this one that's just kind of like little candies. There's like a little peppermint candy or candy canes. So I thought those were really cute. So that is something else you can kind of stick down in these oven mitts. Or, you know, maybe these and like then maybe even a little bit of candy canes down in here. So yeah, you just think of all the possibilities at Dollar Tree that you can stick down in here. You just go to the candy aisle even and get a couple bags of candy for Christmas and put it in here, or go to the baking aisle and stick any kind of bakery item in here, or any kind of kitchen item or mold, or fill this up with wooden spoons from the Dollar Tree. Really anything. I think these are great gifts just to give out, just a little something extra and sweet. And so then my third idea was a mug idea. Now, of course, we love the DT mugs. I thought this one was adorable. It's white and then it's got these silver snowflakes. They had a lot of cute mugs. They come out with the cutest mugs for Christmas. Just so sweet. So I also have found these Nescafe 3-in-1 caramel latte. Guys, I've tried this. It is so good. Okay, so good. So if you see these, pick them up. You get I am not even wearing my glasses. How am I even seeing? What am I doing? Okay, so there are 5 sticks in here. 5. So I thought you could take some of these. You could grab some hot cocoa mix if you wanted. Also, I'm going to give 10 stars for these. Okay, these are the chai latte mixes at DT. These are also so good. And you get 4 servings in here. So let's open this up. And I'll show you what they look like, because I buy these all the time. If I go into DT and these are there, I grab several. So they just come in these little packets like this. It's just a little chai tea packet. So, you know, put a couple of those in your cup, put a couple of these in your cup. And then I also got a little, you know, bring your peppermint sticks, you know, back, put those in the cup. You know, you can put a little mug like this. So you have all these things in here. You've got a couple teas, a couple coffees, a couple of peppermint sticks to go in the coffee. I think that's an adorable gift. And you know, you could get several cups and you can buy several of these types of drinks and just put whatever you want inside the cup. I think that's a great idea for a teacher or for a coworker, for, you know, your friends, your family, anyone. I think it's a great idea. I love coffee. So, and they also even sell coffee pods or anything. You can find so many different things and you can make so many different ones. So highly recommend this as well. And then, okay, so I was in the beauty section and I couldn't, my Dollar Tree at the time didn't have any really cute makeup bags. Now I probably should have went over to like the gift bag section, but I didn't. So I feel like you can also do this type of idea, but with makeup. So I did grab a couple of just, these are, I had to have these. They are so adorable, you guys. So maybe get a makeup bag or like some type of Christmas pouch of some sort. And then look how cute these are. They are the gel iPads. These are the Disney Aristocats. You can place these in hot water until they reach the desired temperature, or you freeze them and you put them, I mean, they are adorable. Adorable. And they're like glittery, I think. So that's even cuter. And then I saw these ones. These are the Disney Princess Gel iPads. These are reusable, okay? So you just freeze them or heat them. And then put them on your eyes. So that's one good gift to put in a makeup bag. And then I saw, and you know, DT has a ton of masks, foot masks, face masks, lip gloss, all the things, you know. So find a little makeup pouch. And then I did see these were new. So these are the Brazilian Soul limited edition exfoliating foot masks by Spa Luxury. So love that. And then they had the Brazilian Soul hydrating hand masks. So we love to see that. So I would get a little pouch and put a couple of these in it, a little face mask type of situation, maybe some lip gloss, maybe a little thing of bath salts, or, you know, anything. I mean, the Dollar Tree is stacked usually at this time of the year with all kinds of new makeup, all kinds of new skincare, all kinds of things. So even the deodorant wipes you can put in. So yeah, get yourself a little satchel there, even a little gift bag or something, and just fill it up with stuff like this. It's super easy, quick, and I think it's really cost effective to do it that way. So this way, you know, you buy a few mugs, and once you buy a few of these, you know, I mean, 5 sticks comes in this. You could make 5 cups out of it if you wanted to, or 4. So mix and match. And let's see, they have 6 in here. So you could easily make 5 or 6 cups for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like $10. Easily. 6 gifts for $10, you know? So that was my glitzy Dollar Tree glamoury, well, not really even glamoury, right? Just a holiday haul, you guys. And so for my giveaway, very, very, very important, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box to a Google form, okay? You're going to go to that Google form and fill it out. It's just going to ask you your name and address and everything so that when I pull my winner, I'm going to have all your info. I don't have to ask, I don't have to wait for you to get back to me. You don't have to see me post anything. I'm going to just send it out. It's me. It's editing me. I had to clip this in because I didn't even tell you guys what the giveaway was. Oh my gosh. My giveaway is going to be everything I showed in the video. So please make sure to get in on the giveaway. I can't believe I didn't mention that. So yeah, everything I showed in my haul, you're going to get as a giveaway. Please, it doesn't matter where you're located, enter the giveaway. And if you are overseas, maybe we can work out something else. Maybe I can send you a gift card if you don't want this, you know, if you don't want these items, then we can work that out. And then I can save on shipping. So, all right, get entered to win. Don't forget to fill out the Google form. So don't forget the playlist will be linked down there. And also all of the channel information for all the other gals. There's 14 of us. So please make sure to check everybody out. Subscribe, like, comment, go and rate their hauls too. They're going to ask you to rate them. So give me a number between 1 and 10, you guys. How did I do on my haul? Let me know. Let me know. Also, I'll be live tonight. Me and Brian, or definitely me. Brian might have to go to bed early because he has to be up at 2 o'clock for work. But I will be on later opening your friend mail and things. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, definitely get in on the giveaway. The Glitzy DT collab. I'm so excited to be a part of this, you guys. Please make sure to go like everybody else and watch their videos. Get in on their giveaways. And thank you so, so, so much for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Happy holidays and God bless. Bye.